My name is Sarah Garcia Sanchez, and I'm an attorney with St. Francis Community Services. We know that this is an uncertain time and that many people are out of work, and the need for public benefits is greater than ever. We also know that some immigrants are uncertain whether they should apply for these public benefits, including food stamps and Medicaid, because they're not sure if this will affect their immigration case. We at St. Francis are here to clarify the rule and explain when public charge may apply. First, what is public charge? When people talk about public charge, they're referring to when an immigration official considers whether an applicant for permanent residency will be dependent on the government for financial assistance. This is actually something that has been happening for a long time, but the new rule enacted on February 24, 2020 expands when an immigration officer can consider someone a public charge. Who does this public charge rule affect? This rule only applies to people who are actively or will be in the next few years applying for a green card through their family or through an employer. Applications that are through family members include those applicants inside the United States and outside of the United States. This also applies to temporary visa holders who are applying for a change of status or an extension of their current status. Who is not affected? There are many exceptions to this public charge rule. These people will be able to apply for a green card and the public charge rule will not affect their application. These include refugees and asylees, special immigrant juveniles, victims of crime or domestic violence who are either T visa holders, U visa holders, FAO recipients, and also includes Cubans filing under the Cuban Adjustment Act. In addition, the public charge rule does not apply to anyone who is filing for their citizenship, for DACA, or for TPS. Remember, for those people applying for a green card or visa, an immigration official will consider the application to see if you are a public charge. The following benefits will negatively impact your application: Social Security income, cash assistance, food stamps, Section 8, public housing, and Medicaid. Immigration officials will also consider whether the person can maintain a job and they're able to support themselves financially. They will not consider things like emergency medical assistance, WIC, school lunches, or Head Start. It is also important to remember that the immigration official will only consider benefits that you have received in the last 3 years. Therefore, your U.S. citizen children can still receive food stamps, TANF, and Medicaid. It is important that undocumented parents notify the agency when they are applying that they are not personally eligible for benefits and that they are only applying for U.S. citizen children. Finally, during this COVID pandemic, we've received a lot of questions about the U.S. government stimulus checks and unemployment benefits. Unemployment benefits are not considered a public benefit under the new rule. Therefore, if you are eligible, please apply for these benefits. The stimulus checks are also not considered a public benefit under this new rule. If you have received a check for yourself or for your children, it is your money to spend. Please remember that this is not legal advice. If you have any questions about your specific case, please contact your attorney. We are here to support you during this time.